I have an update about the bird's nest that's currently being supported by my ADHD procrastination and my defiance to fall in line with traditional seasonal decor. Okay, we gotta be really quiet. Can you hear it? There's a bird in the nest. Let's go outside and see if we can see it. Definitely a sparrow. I have an appointment for my husband Dan. I get in the middle of something really interesting and then make us late for appointments, and that's just part of my ADHD. I'm trying to be more aware that I do that so that I can curb that behavior. The bird will still be there. That's what I'm telling myself. Later on today, I will put the tripod out, so check back.